All right. Are you open your Trello board, please? Are you there? Can you see something like this? Though I know that your own will be empty because you've not done. I've done some things there, so my own will have some. There are workspaces here, but I hope you can see. I hope you are with me. Hello. Are you in the beginning of the page? I hope you are. Are you with me, please?
Yes, I'm seeing the Trello page.
All right. Now you go to create a new board. So the board title will be Coursera Coursera MVP. Create. Is this where you are? Have you created? I hope you're seeing. Just be doing what I'm doing, so you're able to follow through. Have you? Are you here? Is it Ezekiel? Can you hear me? I hope you're here, too.
Yeah, I'm with you.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do our backlog. And I said before, a backlog is a list of all the features in that product. And in that thing I sent earlier, the backlog includes what? In a product like Coursera MVP, the features in the features includes let me open it. I have the picture here. So in our backlog, I have what? Let me just put a product backlog. I will name it product. That's creating a card. Backlog. Press enter. We've created a card. Product backlog. So you now go down here, add a card. You can now begin to list all the features that should be there. The first feature I noted there was study reminder. Enter. The second one was what? Recommended. Enter. The next one was what? Link to Facebook. If I have the picture of that thing, no, I can't want to be switching, so I want everybody to just concentrate on. They can just be typing what you say. Link to all those things are the features in the product. Link to Facebook. We have profile. We have explore. We have calendar sync. We have subscription, and we have push notifications. So these are the features that is in our product. Everything that make up what Coursera was MVP. Everything we want to build in Coursera. Now, so we want to now know, we want to prioritize, that's the prioritization. We want to know which one are we going to build now, next, or later. So now you go to add another list here and put now. Let us use, you can use open a bracket and put September. Today is what? Today is 15. September 15 to 25. Bracket it. That's all. When you enter, you can put another one. You can put next. You can put a bracket if September. All the reasons of putting a time frame is so that your team members know that okay, we're working with time. Because if you leave some people now, they want to work 1,000 years just working in one particular. You can put yes, you can put September 25th, September 25th to October 5th. brackets, enter. You can now put here later. In a bracket, you can put October 5th to 20th. Just that's what it is here. So now we've done the list of all the products. So we now we want to prioritize which product should we build now, next, or later. So now in a product like Coursera, the first thing, if somebody wants to sign in, if somebody wants to start Coursera for the first time, the first thing the person is going to do is what? Profile, right? Profile. Is going to use the word profile. So you are going to move. So you can create a card here, and that's what it is. Profile. That profile should be the first one. Profile. Because I don't want to confuse you too. Because we can move. Okay, let me just do it. Let me just do it the normal way now. You can move the first one is what? Profile. But you move profile, just drag it and put it here. Profile. That's all. That is the first thing you are going to do. Profile. Then in profile, you click the profile. You can now add something inside it, right? You can add things inside the profile. You can give a detailed description. I can say, I'm trying to just look for a write-up to write for the profile. You can add so many things. You can put a detail. I can say our profile is what, our description to be what, to enhance, and you can put here to enhance user engagement by allowing profile customization and seamless courses discovery. Full stop. So all these things are just like if somebody wants to is making just looking, if your technical team or anybody is going through the okay, don't know that, okay, this profile, but you cannot just assume that everybody know what a profile is. So anybody that pick it up can say, okay, this is what it's used for. So you can now save it. Save. So they have described it. You can also add anything. You can add a date, you can add member, you can even add a link, you can attach something, right? You can attach anything, a link, if it's a Figma link, anything, can attach anything from your computer. You can choose a file and attach any single thing from there, like relevant to what that particular thing you're trying to say. You can just put just anything whatsoever. You can just put anything whatsoever there, right? As the profile. Then you can also add members. Assuming I have an email account, I'll just add you right to my Trello board. Right? If I can let me even check just send the invite, share, copy link, okay. Good link. Let me try and move it to our chat so you can be able to join. Just maybe if not now, maybe later. I've invited this out. You can able to add it to a Trello board if it's not, but I'm just trying to show you what it means. How you can add members. There are members of your team, of course. They'll be all of them. They'll be here as members, right? So now we've done profile, because the first thing for the first thing to be done when you're trying to work on Coursera MVP is what? profile. We can also say the next thing that we can also look at is that what easy Google sign in should be the things you should prioritize now. Easy Google sign in. How come I didn't easy Google sign in? How come it's not here? Easy Google. I'm sorry, let me add it to a card here, please. Easy Google sign in. Add it. Also, you can add video. You also add it. Video integration. Add it. Now, you also add another one I forgot to add. Video caption. Yes, video caption. Add it. I also forgot to add community. And I forgot to add use Coursera offline. I forgot to add, yeah, I think that's all. So please make sure you add all these other ones I added, please. The easy Google signing, video integration, video caption, community, use Coursera offline, add it as your product backlog. A product backlog is a list of everything you want to do. It's be easy for us to move cards together. Hope that is taken. So the another thing you can also prioritize now should be easy Google signing. Easy Google signing, why is choosing it as? It's so that when people like now, if you have even try if most applications, it's always to type your part. Just like how we have Face ID, you sign in like this, even this Trello, you can sign in immediately with Google, even though you don't even create an account. So if you have a Gmail account, you can just sign in and make use of the platform. So the next thing we're going to move it under now is something we should work on now. Easy Google signing. You move it here under the add card feature. Easy Google signing. Then you can still open it and add anything if it's necessary. Under easy Google signing, you can say our objective is to enable the users to sign in or sign up using their Google account for a seamless onboarding experience. Stop. That was like the core thing about easy Google signing. So you save it. You can add anything you want to add. If it's a picture, anything you want to add, or you can assign it to anybody in your team, but nobody is here, so I can just nobody. I don't have any members here. I will just add them to it. But that is it. Our objective is to enable the users to sign in or sign up using their words, using their Google account for a seamless onboarding process. Another one you can add is another one we should work on recommended. Of course, when you open the next thing you have is recommended. Because someone should recommend the course for you. Recommended, remove. It's not compulsory, right? Okay, I can just write Coursera. The aim is to recommend and show courses that are fit or necessary for the users to take. Stop. Save. Another thing we should prioritize working now. Since you've done the profile, the easy Google sign, you've done recommended, find a course also, because when people just came to find a particular course, so you move, find a course. I didn't add it to the backlog. Please add in the backlog. Find a course. Find a course. So that's what I'm going to add to do now. What you should work on now. Find a course. It's really, really what's important. Remove it there. I don't know writing anything there. It's not compulsory to write anything. I'm just adding so that you can see you can add anything. Also, explore should not come under now. These are the features we should work on now. They're the most basic features we should work on now. I hope you are following. If you have any question, please ask. Then now let us. If you have any questions so far, are you following? Are you good? Are we good to go? Are we good to go, please?
Yeah, you can go. I just want to ask something. Like how you started it. Was it like to create another board or workspace?
Is it this Trello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Like, is it how I started my own?
Yeah. Did was it create workspace or to create a board?
Create workspace. You know, I have
Oh,
like
okay.
other, yeah, because
Okay.
that's why I have other, your people own is fresh, so you don't see create work. That's the people I own. For me, I have other bots. I can also switch to other bots.
So I
Like,
can
I'm not
also
trying to
create.
add
I can also do like a create board on my own, like to
on
create
your
my
own.
own
Yes,
workspace. Okay. But it's showing
yes.
like the headings. It's showing
Can
like
you snap your screen and post on the chat? Let me see.
I don't know how to. I'm coming.
All right. You can post your screen. Let me see. Let me see if there's any issue.
Don't worry. Let's go on.
But are we following?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ezekiel, what about you? Are we good to go? Ezekiel, are we good to go?
So sorry for the board title. Is it? I've missed that one.
If you have any issues, speaking so that before we go
Yeah. So
further, so I would
I said
just
for the. So when I clicked on the create new board, so it's asking me for the
okay.
board title.
Coursera MVP, that's the name of the board. Coursera MVP. That's what you're working on, Coursera MVP.
Okay. We can continue.
Ezekiel, are we good to go?
Oh.
All right. So now let us go to the next. Now the next should be from all the products. Okay, link to Facebook. We'll move it the card to next. I can have a brief I can say this is to allow this is to allow the users to sign up or sign in using their Facebook account for further onboarding. This is to allow users to sign up or sign in using their Facebook accounts for further onboarding. That's just a brief description of what this action link to Facebook is all about. To allow users to sign up or sign in using their Facebook account for further onboarding. Save. The next feature we can move is we can move a study reminder. All these things just like based on previous study reminder. Move here. I can give a study reminder. Is I can leave it. I can go to subscription. Move subscription to next. I can move push notifications to next. I can move video integration to next. I can move video captions to next. All of these are what very the next most important things to add. Then I can also move calendar sync to next. Then for the other one I put is I now next. I thought I did later. Move. I did now next. Now okay, I can create okay. I did that. Done. Okay. I forgot to press enter. So I can put for minutes as later. That's necessary for me to do that. A community people that can online use for offline really with later feature of this, right? This I've shown how to work here. But we have is there any question for does anybody have any question?
No, at the moment.
So this is how to create a Coursera MVP board, right? You have to create a Coursera MVP board. Then if you anywhere you can assign, like now you can say profile. We've been using profile, right? And when you pass, say so and so or the tag and data is that's create a board box to the tags and Trello. I think share it. So you should then your link and people. Follow people every in a day. You can follow more than five. They will follow you back. Your account will be growing. You don't just leave it stagnant like that. Follow people, right? Especially product managers. Follow them. They will follow you back. Just keep following and following so that your account at least you have like 500 plus connections. But if you've been doing the right thing since 500 plus connections, so please take note of that. From tomorrow, our post is Ezekiel to the same all the 14-day challenge. You never did anyone. Even all the thing has to do on LinkedIn. Because I can't even remember your LinkedIn account name for me to even check anything. Those things that has to do as your header is not there. The connection to not there. I really want you guys to get it's very, very, very good. I help people to secure internship, this HNG internship they are doing. I said those people that are feeling the training that last, most of them have said they will start the HNG internship now, right? At least all these are the experiences, but there are opportunities to come. September now, opportunities are coming. October, now, even before the end of at least before January, you get a very, very good. Some people their internship job 250K for a start. It's other that I take my time to make sure that okay, let everybody be back from work and everything before we go to class. So please, this time around are going to get much more serious. So please from tomorrow, and I also give you a task to submit. I gave you a short course to do. Everything like I said is for a purpose. I gave you a short course to do that you have a certificate. Is it until it expires? Do it. You have it so it will be part of what will be added to your CV. It's something as you're doing that, you're even learning more. It's just like introductory something of product management, which should be part of your certification that you add to your CVs, right? So that when you're done, you make that certificate they give you, you make it as a post on LinkedIn. It's for a purpose. Please go through it tomorrow, right? If you can finish it tomorrow before I send the LinkedIn post, that will be your LinkedIn post. But if not, we'll try and do the. I'll send you a link what I'm going to post on LinkedIn almost every day now, so that your LinkedIn will be getting more notice and more reach. And every day, I want to see progress. Follow as many people as possible, right? So please and please, I don't want to. That's what I just want to reiterate so that your account will be really, really good, right? I want your account to, before this end of September, please, you have up to 500 plus connections, and your account looks very, very rich. So anybody that go through your profile, they'll be okay. They'll say, okay, this looks very great. Please, and please take note of that. If anybody have any question, I will also make this our class. I also post it on the YouTube for so that please, when I post it on YouTube, I'll share a link. So let me like and follow, and even we share, please. Thank you very much for. Does anybody have any question? Does anybody have any question? Does anybody have any question? Ezekiel, are you good to go?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine for mine.
All right, please also help me get people to come on board, or your brothers, your sister, your neighbors, everybody. Please, I also help me let them come and sign up for a new cohort. Please, tell someone to tell someone, tell them to sign up, please and please and please. Let them come forth, right? Please help me tell them, convince them for them to join, right? All right, thank you thank you. Can post this on your groups, WhatsApp status, groups, and any other that will get reached by many people. Please just help me try and get it on board. All right, so thank you very much for your time tonight, and have a great night.